Hey everybody, my name's Paul. I'm the owner of 3D Concepts Moto. We're here in the shop today to take a quick look at our locking gas cap cover that we make for Rotopax and Tark II cans. This is a clamshell cover that just goes right over the factory gas cap and keeps people from tampering with your fuel. They won't be able to remove your gas cap at all. So we're going to go right over here to the workbench and we're going to go take a look at it. So here's the clamshell assembly. You get the clamshell, you get the locking cylinder and the keys, and it's just going to wrap right around the neck of the cap. It's a pretty simple design. The clamshell closes around the bottom of the cap so no one can get a hold of it, and then the locking cylinder gets placed right here. You can hear it snap into place. And this is just going to free spin. No one can get underneath it to get a hold of that fuel cap and spin it off. It's pretty simple to take off. Just take your key, turn it, pull it out, open the clamshell. Let's take a look at it on the gas tank here. I just put it underneath. The green ratcheting safety has to be removed to install this cap. We're going to close this and reinsert our lock with the locking tab facing the gas cap. You can see it clicked into place and it just free spins around the cap. This clamshell is going to work for both Tark II and Rotopax gas caps, and it's currently available on the website. We have a few in stock. We normally do very limited runs of this one. So be sure and jump on the website and grab yours before they're gone. I hope you liked today's video of the locking clamshell cover for the Tark and Rotopax gas cans. If you did, be sure and like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all about the product, leave them in the comments and we'll try to get back to you. Be sure and check out our e-commerce store, www.3dcmoto.com. You can also take a look at our products on Instagram, Facebook, or here on YouTube. That's going to wrap this video up, so stay safe out there and we'll see you guys on the trails.